So let us see the structure of nested try. A try inside another try. We have seen nested if in the past, isn't it? Nested if. Hello.
Hello.
We have seen in the past nested if condition. Na?
Yes.
In a similar way, you can go with the nested try also. Let me write the syntax for that. So this is the outer try. I can tell you this is outer try. Some code you can write inside that. You can put some code like this, and then normally you close now. Instead of closing, let me put another try here and open the brace again. This is the middle try. This is the middle try.
Okay.
And this is the outer try. I can name this as outer try block. Outer try. We have done nested if also, I think, na?
Yes, we did.
I've given some small assignment as well on that.
Yeah.
So this is middle try. Inside that you can put some code, any code, some arithmetic exception handling code you can put there. And then another try. Instead of closing, I am starting with yet another try. This is the innermost try. This is the inner try. This is inner try. Like that you can keep on going, but I am stopping here itself.
Okay.
This is the last try, innermost try. If it is going to fail, then obviously one catch block will be there for this. You know how to write catch and all this thing.
Yeah.
And you can put some code inside catch block like this. And then let me close this catch. Now comes, middle try. Middle try is also closed here. This is middle try close. Middle try is closed. Middle try closed. Okay, fine.
Okay.
Then middle catch should come into play, na? Then middle catch obviously should come. So here I'm going to write a middle catch. Here I will write catch. This is middle catch. Some code you can write. And then outer try is also closed here. This is outer try is closed here. Okay.
Okay.
Closed. That's it. Now outer catch should be there.
Outer catch.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
That is the logic. Outer catch follows that. Then write some code like that also. Yes, totally it is over. There is no confusion. It may lead to confusion if you go with more nesting, I mean to say.
Yeah.
That's why better you properly use comments. That's why I'm putting comments everywhere.
Sure.
A good programmer puts comments at regular intervals, no?
Right.
To make things understandable easily. Okay, fine. I will write one application. You can understand. You can understand clearly. See, this is the outermost try. It is not closed. Instead of that, middle try is opened, and then inside that inner try is opened again. And now inner try is closed. In the sense, the following one is catch. Inner catch. This is inner catch. I can name this as inner catch. Yes, inner catch is opened, and then the middle try is closed. In the sense, middle catch is opened here. This is middle catch, and then comes outer try is closed. That's why outer catch is open. That's it. Outer catch is open. Yes. So this is the logic.
Okay.
So we will do some applications on that. Exception handling, nested try. I will put some heading like nested try. Almost all today it will be completed. If any leftovers are there, let me recollect one more time. If any leftovers are there, because any updation in the technology is there, I'll let you know by tomorrow. An exception.
Sure, sir.
Okay. Then I can move to threads.
Okay.
This is nested try. Nested try. And let me add main method also. Right. So inside that, let me start with a try block straight away. Yes. Inside try, same old program. Int n is equal to args dot length. Okay. You know
Okay.
this already.
Yes.
And int I will make a is equal to 50 by n. Okay, fine. And then I want to display this a value I want to display. Okay, fine. Otherwise I would write like this: a equals a. That's it. Done. Nothing else other than that. Then instead of closing, normally we close at this place. Instead of closing, I want to start with yet another try, the middle try.
Okay.
Outer try is over. This is the outer try. This is outer try. Outer try opened. Outer try is open here, and here middle try is open. Middle try. Opened. Middle try opened. Okay, fine. Inside that, see, in the outer try I have gone with there is a chance of one type of exception. What is that? Just let me recollect.
Arithmetic
Yes,
exception.
exactly, perfect. Next, middle try. Why I'm taking 3 tries? Because we are very much familiar with the first 3 types of exceptions, array index,
Yeah.
string index. Let me go with one array index out of bounds exception here.
Okay.
AR. It may or may not lead, depends upon our coding only, whether the exception is there or not. 59. And then yes, and inside that AR of 1. Yes. So we are going to face some problem here also,
Yeah.
Of course, provided the outer try is clear, then only you can get inside. Otherwise, you will be blocked there itself. Yes. And where is that catch? Okay, 2 tries I have gone. One more also you can add. If you want, you can add one more also. One more I want to add. Okay, fine. I should try. Followed with opening. This is inner try. Inner try. Opened. Fine. Now some code for that also. What kind of code I can give? String str is equal to abc. Fine. Such that SYSO caret str dot caret yes, str dot character present at so and so location. Index, what can I give?
3.
Okay, 3 is not there.
Yeah.
So exception you are going to encounter here.
Right.
Okay, fine. This is closed here. Innermost try closed here. I can put a comment, you can understand. Inner try is closed. Inner try closed. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Then following catch. Innermost catch is getting opened, So inner catch should be of which type?
String.
Inner try is string. That's why it should be of type string. That we have to accommodate properly. Never go with something else, because if we fail innermost try, then only you are going to be caught at innermost catch. That's why the suitable exception is nothing other than string index out of bounds exception. String index out of bounds exception. That's it. some reference. I will write inner, middle, outer. I is the object which I am creating. Okay, for easy
Okay.
I am giving like that, and you can display inside. It is not an issue. System generated message I am going with. I dot print stack trace, print stack. Three options I have given now. Either you can display system dot out dot println the statement. I you can put the reference. Otherwise, I dot print stack trace. Otherwise, your own message.
Right.
But I decided to go with this. That's it. So this catch is also closed. This is
Actually, catch opening ledu.
Yes. And this is inner catch, na?
Yes.
Inner catch opened. Inner catch opened. And then it should be closed here. Yeah. And then let me close middle try. Middle try. Closed. Yes, middle try closed. Inner catch open, middle try closed. Okay, fine. Now comes catch. This catch is middle catch, na?
Middle catch, yes.
What is the middle exception? Array index or
Yes.
This, na? Majority people are afraid of Java because of these lengthy methods, lengthy things. Otherwise, nothing is there. You strongly learn, it is for lifetime. That's it.
Yeah. Actually, after learning Java, it's become other languages have become easier for me.
In those days, what I heard is when I learned Java, they injected me in me like it is good for your health also. Not only me.
Okay.
Hundreds of students they told like that. No heart diseases, nothing. So totally your health will every student I'm talking about, not only me.
Okay.
Will be very active and very healthy also.
Okay.
Maybe for fun, but it is true. Unlike any other job, mechanical engineering or electronics and communication, so many issues.
For sure.
We have to do that and this, but here this is very simple job. Simple in the sense, if you can enjoy that really.
Yeah.
Even whether we are doing toughest job also, we have to enjoy. Then only we can do some great things in that. A dot this time, no? A dot.
Yes.
A dot print stack trace. Yes, capital letter. Sorry. Print stack. So it is going to display as well. You can click on that. Yes, like that. And this is middle catch, isn't it?
Yes.
Middle catch opened. Fine. Middle catch opened. Closing we can understand. Not required. Okay, fine. This is closed. Closed. And then here, what is closed?
Outer.
Outer.
No, closing is middle. Outer try is closed.
Outer try should be closed.
Yes.
Closed. Yes. Now comes catch for outer try.
Outer.
Catch. That is going to be arithmetic.
Arithmetic.
Exactly. Arithmetic. Section. A is already. Arithmetic. I will take. Okay. And then this is a comment for outer catch opened. Outer catch opened. And same thing. What is that? Yes. And simply it is AE. That's it. Yes, that is closed as well. And then Why it is showing mistake here? Array index out of bounds exception. Duplicate parameter. Yeah. What is the problem with A? A is already used na somewhere in the early stages. I used A
Oh,
already.
yeah.
That should
Yes.
not be done. That should not be done.
Yeah. Because we have used I for inner, we can use M, I think.
Okay, I will go. Okay, AI.
Okay.
Now it will be resolved. Yes, resolved. Got it? That is the way.
Okay.
Now let me save this. Control yes. Execute this. Directly executing. Arithmetic exception we are going to encounter, I guess. Na? So yeah,
Yes.
it is arithmetic exception. Means other things, whether they are correct or wrong, we are not getting inside. Even middle
Yeah.
try is never getting catched here. I mean caught here, sorry.
Yes.
Middle try is never getting caught here, isn't it? Middle try is
Yes.
never getting caught in this application. That is why let me make this true, the outer try true. For that matter, as you know, run configurations, na? We have done.
Yes.
Yeah. Let me go with those command line documents. Again, our RAM will come into picture. Okay. Run. We have done run na, on that day.
Yes.
Yes. So yes.
Yeah.
Successfully done. 3. 50 divided by 3. The integer portion you are getting. 16 3 is
Right.
how much? 48. Am I right? 16 3
Yeah.
is 48. So 16 you got for A. And then, yeah, array index cannot be resolved. That also I will resolve this time. So in place of 1, I can go with 0. Isn't it?
Yeah.
That problem is also solved. Let me run again.
Yes.
Yes, that is also resolved. 59 is there in
Mm.
0th location. But the last one, you are caught. At the innermost one, you got caught. So innermost
Yeah. String.
array index out of bounds. That also I will resolve this time by doing 2, by making it 2. Okay.
Mm. Okay.
2 is acceptable. Okay. Yes. Yes. Perfectly.
Okay.
Nothing is caught.
Yeah.
Okay. Brain is going well. Yeah. Like that. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. Now we will go with next application. That is, I will go with multi-catch blocks with one try, multiple catches. We have not seen that kind of program.
No.
We have seen one program. What is that?
Opposite of it.
Means one try.
No, we did multiple. Yeah, one try and multiple catches.
We have done that.
Yes, we have done.
One try, multiple catches.
Yes.
I don't think
We
so.
have done arithmetic, array index, and string.
All the
We
things
have done,
putting in the same try.
yeah, whatever is here in
Yeah,
this
yeah.
program, all these we have put all these tries in one try and we did
Sure,
everything.
you are sure about that.
Yes, sir. Yes, I
Then
have it open here.
yeah. Then I will go with custom defined exception. There is some
Okay.
little theory about that.
Okay.
Let me take notepad and write little points on that. Then we can do some good applications, great applications in that.
Sure.
The application which I'm going to design after this little theory, that is going to beat your car application also. Abstract class car, we have done one program.
Yes.
This program is going to beat that also.
Okay.
Quality application. I would like to do. Fine. Creating user-defined exception. User-defined exception. Or you can call it as custom-defined exception. That is also correct. Custom-defined exception. Both are correct. Exception. Custom-defined exception. Okay, both are correct. Now there are some points which we have to follow carefully. We have to examine in the beginning.
Okay.
Point number 1 is, first create a user-defined class that extends exception class. Point number one. Because I will explain. Wait. Till now, I never extended any class. You can observe any program, even this program. Did I extend any class?
No.
No inheritance being involved till now.
Right.
First time I'm going to extend some other class, because till now whatever we dealt, they are all predefined exception classes, like arithmetic, array index, whatever it is. But this time you are going to create your own exception class, is it not? So
yes.
it should take permission, like just like permission. For example, see, government colleges are there, private colleges are there. What is the difference? Government can start according to their will and wish, whoever is going to come into the government, is it not? It is their will and wish. But private people, they cannot start without the acceptance, without the permission being granted by suitable authorities, right from IAS officer. Is it not?
Yes.
So that is the difference. Just like I'm comparing government and private with predefined and user defined. Okay.
Okay.
So we are dealing with user defined. So you have to extend the superclass for your class, that is exception. So create, point number one, create user exception class that extends exception. Point number one, which we have to follow. We are going to see all these points in our coming application as well. That extends exception class. Point number one, that is mandatory. And then point number two is we have to go with a default constructor. It is very easy. Write a default constructor. Default constructor. We have to write a default constructor in the user exception class. Okay, in the user exception class. That is point number two. Okay, that is point number two. Yes. And then point number three. Point number three is you have to go with a parameterizer constructor with a string as a parameter also. Okay, both default you need and parameterized also required. Write a parameterized constructor. Parameterized constructor. Write a parameterized constructor with the string as a parameter. That also we have to remember, with a string. We follow all these guidelines. Just like we are starting a private college, some guidelines will be given by government now.
Yes.
They have to follow that. So we are doing that only here. Write a parameterized constructor with string as a parameter. String as a parameter. And from there, call superclass constructor. Not only that, and from there, call superclass constructor. Superclass constructor.
Sure, I'll see. So what am I open to do? Okay, fine. I'll see if I can make it. I will see there. Okay, thank you.
Then whenever needed, create an object to user define exception class. Whenever I will add the same notes to your notes as well.
Sure.
Save this. I will take a pic of this. Whenever needed, create an object. This is point number 4. To user define exception class. User defined exception class and throw. We are going to use. I told earlier, in user defined exceptions we are going to create our own exception class object and throwing that out. So throw it and throw it using throw class simply. Throw class.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Now we will follow these guidelines in designing our application. So I will name that as main method should be there. Na? My exception. My exception is not there na, till now. Yes, I will name my exception. My exception. My exception one. I will name that as. And the main method is also there in that. Our own exception class. This is.
Okay.
So let us follow the guidelines. What is the first step I am talking about? Extends. Extends.
Right.
Yes. Very easy. If you study that notes, it is very easy to write a program. See.
Yeah.
And then I want to take a bank account with numbers, with some account numbers will be there. No? Simple numbers I will take.
Yes.
Let me
Okay.
just memory also for that matter. Straight away go with some data here. Private. I will go with private access specifier. I don't want to waste memory. Bank application, I'm going with private. Static int.
Okay.
ACC number array. I am also involved with array in this context. Okay.
Okay.
With simple array, one-dimensional array, and you know how to add account numbers. 1001 is the first guy. So and so account number followed with the next. Giving some easy numbers you can easily understand. 100
Right.
and 1005. 1005. Okay, fine. Next, those who are bearing those account numbers, they will be having some names, na? Some names will be there, na, for them.
Yes.
So let me add some names this time, and they are also private, static, string, na? Names means.
Yes.
So means I want to go with a string array in this context. String array. I am going with a string array. Is equal to what? And some
Names.
string names like Ramo. Double quotes, second guy. And then Rakesh. How many? 5 are there, na? Rakesh.
Yeah.
Gopi. And then Vijay. So now to close the parentheses. Yes. And what about their balances? I want to go with their balances as well in their accounts. Private. My intention is nothing but very simple. Let me explain. What I want to do is I want to create one simple bank account for these guys.
Okay.
And then what I want to do is see, whenever a bank is there, there is a hierarchy of employees involved in that. Is it not?
Yes.
Right from senior manager to accountant to PM and attender as well will be there. Is it not? So the thing is that unknowingly, some people have been registered with so and so called bank. They got very less amounts of deposits. Okay.
Okay.
Generally, unknowingly, they got registered with something like 2,000 rupees or something like that. They have been registered. Some of them.
Okay.
But minimum balance rules we are applying. Like banks, time to time, they are going to change minimum balances. Na? Otherwise,
Yes.
they will attract some fines. Na? They will impose some fines. Na?
Yes.
That's why here some of these guys are bearing very little amounts. Maybe
Okay.
Rakesh, they are bearing with say for example 2,000, 3,000 little balances they had. Immediately bank manager should make a call to them and
Okay.
give couple of options to them. Number one, if you want to continue your account, please add little more money. Otherwise,
Okay.
you take your money and keep from this bank. That's it.
Mm.
Okay, two
Okay.
options.
Yeah.
Manager can give. For that, manager needs some application before him. He should identify who is having enough funds and who is not having enough funds. He should be able to
Right.
execute such an application. So that is the intention here.
Okay.
Double. Let me go with a double type of data. Money issued. That's one.
Mhm.
It is also an array. All arrays, all one-dimensional arrays. I'm taking.
Okay.
The first person is having say something like 15,000 rupees. Enough funds he is having. 15,000.97 pies, including pies they will give. Na?
Mm. Can we use commas for balances?
Oh, sorry. Oh,
Okay.
not at all. And then he's having, this guy is also having enough funds, 55. Generally, I am writing in a MS Word document. Generally, students' fee structure.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Whenever I write for just now,
Yeah.
I completed that. I am putting commas. Generally, I follow those mathematical techniques.
Okay.
Obviously, I was in that frame of mind. 55,000 .099. Okay, fine. And then 25,000. Again, it is coming towards comma whenever I'm typing. 25,000.75. And the other poor fellow is having 1,009. Very little amount. That is the only money he's having. I have taken double because I need not go with F again, isn't it?
Yes.
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 And the last guy is also having little amount, maybe 1,500.00. That's it. These are the amounts being managed by these guys. Now,
Okay.
I told at another point in notes, what is that point? Please study. Create,
Default
write a
constructor.
default constructor, exactly. One default, one parameterized, and then create, throw an object after create. So let me go with the default constructor. My exception one.
Yes.
It is not mandatory. I want to boycott that. I want to avoid that. Let me check whether it works or not. I have done in the past. Yeah, if required, I will write. It is not mandatory, I guess. If
Okay.
required, I will add that. Otherwise, not required. Exception one. Yes. I'm putting semicolon. Yeah, that's it. And then let me go with a parameterized constructor. That is, of course, whether we write or doesn't write, default constructor will be invoked anyways. Is it not?
Yes.
Yes. My exception one. It's a parameterized one. And what type of parameter we have to pass, that also I mentioned in the notes. So please check. Notes.
Yes.
In the notes.
Yeah. Constructor with string as a parameter.
Exactly. Same thing I am doing here. String. You can give str. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
String str. Fine. Yes. Now, again, I have given one more point. Please check here. What is that last?
Whenever needed, create an object.
No. Don't go to the next one. See this.
Oh, okay. From there, call
Superclass constructor. You have to call a superclass constructor. Na? I used once, I think, during abstract classes. You remember
Yes.
that? Yeah.
Yes.
Just a super within bracket str. I am passing. I will explain that. I will explain. Don't worry. So that is simple code present in that parameterizer constructor. And let me come back to main method. Let me close. Very little application, but a lot of logic is involved in that. And here, let me go with our concept, that is try block, try. In that, let me display the message like this. Let me display a message like, see, I want a table like this. I want to create one table, like this. The manager should be able to see the table like this. First one, what is that? Account number, na? ACC
Yes.
number, tab space, and then
Name.
Name of the customer, or whatever it is.
Yes.
And then balance. That's it. This kind of heading I want. You can design easily, na? This kind of heading is not an issue in Java. After doing these many applications, we can write that. It's not an issue. How to write that? Just to give tab spaces in between those headings. Is it not?
Right.
So first one is account number, followed with, you just concatenate
name
with the tab space. Let me go with the tab space also in between for good readability.
Yeah.
Here, concat followed with next one, name, customer name, customer name. Okay, customer name, colon. I'll put colons also like that for good readability. So he should get in tabular format, whichever data we are putting here. And then tab space, and then again last one is balance. Yes, that's all done. The statement is done. Now comes your for loops, because arrays, we are using arrays simply. So we have to run as being a one-dimensional array, you have to run one for loop. Yeah, I will design that. So int I equals 0, and then I is less than how many how many customers are there? 1 2 3 4 5 less than 5, and I plus plus. That's it. For loop is over. And inside for loop, what should I do? I want to display. Those fellows are having some balances, na? Those balances should be displayed, like first person Ramu, and I mean his account number 1001 Ramu, his balance. Next Ravi, Ravi's account number, Ravi, his balance. Like that I want. First of all, I want like that. So what can I do for that? Obviously, system.out.println, how to design. Inside that, what is the first array name? ACC,
account number,
ACC, and
no.
I, isn't it?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. Again, followed with some tab space. Can I write tab space after that?
Yeah. Yes.
Tab space. Yes. Here, tab space. And again, just go away. Again here like that. You understood? Next array name is name. Within bracket, don't forget indexing is required now. So we have gone with an array. And little tab space required. Fine. And then again, what is required? Last one, balance.
BAL.
BAL is there. Done. That is also simple, not a great task, great deal. But here the logic comes. See what I am doing. If I told them, those whoever had balance less than 2000, they should be filtered here. How to write this condition? How to write this condition? Tell me. If BAL of you are inside for loop, don't forget.
Yes.
If BAL of I is less than relational operator 2000, got it?
Yes.
The time I designed this kind of application, same 2000 I am using somewhere in 2005, I think I have designed this application, keeping in point of view in the coming days it may happen. What happened, I think some banks, they are asking us to maintain at least 3,000. It depends upon cities again. If it is Bangalore,
Yes.
it may be even more, Hyderabad or Bangalore, whatever it may be.
Yeah.
Is it not?
Yes.
Again, in villages, it may be less amount.
True.
So that they have crossed my budget also. I thought 2,000, they have gone with 3,000 soon afterwards, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes. Especially during that demonetization period. Isn't
Yes.
it? Yes, exactly. Okay, fine. Now, in this, I told one thing. You have to invoke parameterized constructor, na? I will,
Yeah.
I will explain. Just some tricks are there, not that much easy. I will explain. My exception 1, I have taken. My exception 1, ME is equal to new my exception 1. Now see what I am doing. Balance amount is less. That is the string which I am passing. Balance amount is less.
Okay.
Caution word I am passing to the customer. Okay, your amount is less. Just check your balance. Okay, and throw me. Me means object. I told na the effect of throw.
Yeah.
You can create your own object. I have created my own object. Yeah, here is my own object.
Yeah.
This is my own object. And am I throwing that or not? ME is the reference holding that particular object. And simply I am throwing that. Is it not?
Yeah.
Yeah, I am throwing that away. Now what should happen? Wait. How many closings are there? 3 closings are there. 4th one. How many closings are required here? 1 for if condition, 1 for. Two closings are enough, na? After 2 closings,
Yeah.
I want to put, no, not 2, sorry, 3 closings. Catch is also there, na? Try is there.
Oh, yes.
Try is there, na? Try should be closer here, na? Try should be closer here. Means I have tried a catch block here. For that try, you have to go either with catch or finally. I told, na? Let me go with catch. Sorry. Here, my exception 1, my own exception I am going to catch anyways. My exception 1, ME. Okay, my exception 1, ME. Now inside that catch block, I want to deal that like this. You can give me dot print stack trace, or otherwise you can give your own message. System dot SYSO. Here I can display ME. What is that ME? The one which you got. Inside ME, what is there? See here, what is there?
Balance amount is less.
That's it. Done. How many closings are required? 3 closings are required. 3. It is not showing.
Yes, correct.
Mistake. It is not showing any mistake. Yeah. Let me execute. Let me save it and execute that. Fine. Balance amount is less. For whom? For Gopi. For that particular fellow Gopi, it is less. It is stopping there. You can see, but this code is not good. I will make some alternative effort for this. But this is one kind of application. You can do so many improvisations. Otherwise, I will give some homework to you. You can try also.
Okay, sure.
Just you have to shuffle a few things and you have to add one more for loop, and you can design this even in a better way. I will ask you at the end. I will put the question in a notepad and you can answer that accordingly tomorrow. See, basic application. How many customers are there?
5.
5 customers. But how many it has displayed? 4.
4. Yes.
Wherever the wrong one is there, it stopped there itself.
Yes.
It stopped there itself. Is it not?
Right.
So that is the basic intention of this application. But I am not okay with this. I want to go further as well. Further in the sense, I want to see output separately. Like I will show you. At some point of time. I will show you as a homework. I will give that to you.
Okay.
Wait. I will copy here. I will copy this code. I will explain this also. Wait. I will explain this also. But shape I don't want like this. I want to display only this portion. Otherwise, I want to display everybody. I want to display all the data I want to see first of all. Okay.
Okay.
And whoever
Okay.
are not maintaining proper balances, they should be displayed separately. Understood?
Okay.
Understood
Yes.
that? Yeah. How many are there? I will briefly write here.
2. Yeah.
All 5 rows should be displayed. 5 rows. Row number
Okay.
1, row number 2, row number 3, row number 4, and row number 5. And then here, I should be able to get one message here. The message is nothing but customers lacking sufficient funds or something like that. Okay.
Okay.
Lacking sufficient funds in their accounts. Okay, like this. It should display like this.
Okay.
And here same table should be displayed, but only those guys who are not maintaining proper balances, they should be only displayed. Control
Okay.
and I'll write here, wait. And here those customers whoever are not maintaining proper balances, they should be displayed. That's it. Got it? This looks even better.
Yes.
Huh? This code looks even better. You try that one. If you cannot do, tomorrow
sure.
I will try that one. Okay. But
yes.
let us first of all understand this application. Wait. Just 1 minute, one call I have to attend. Chappan sir. Good evening sir, Chappan. చూస్తాను వేరే పని చూస్తాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. Okay, fine. Now let me drag this further a bit. That is enough. I think we can see everything. Yeah. Yes. Now let us start from whatever the code is. Always we have to start from main method.
Main method.
So inside that try JVM is going to encounter a try block. Okay, fine. So means what is happening here? You are getting one message here. Account number, some tab space, customer. Yeah, you got it now. Output in the output.
Yeah.
We got it fine. It is working. Okay, fine. Now I equals 0. That is also true. You got inside. Account number of 0 means 1001 will come out, isn't it?
Yes.
And some tab space and the first name Ramu will come out, and then his balance obviously will come out. But better I give here one more tab space. That is better, na? See.
Yes.
Because it is clumsy, little bit clumsy it is. Better add one more tab space. After name I have to add, na? Isn't it?
Yes.
Before balance, yeah. I will add one more tab space. Now see you can have some clean look now. Like this. Yes.
Okay, yeah.
Somehow it looks clean, isn't it? That's perfect.
Yes.
If somebody asked some bank asked to write some application, if we are giving in that way, they won't pay us, is it not?
Yeah. Yes.
Small things cost a lot.
True.
So now it is okay. Simple thing, that is nothing great. Now don't come out of for loop. We are still inside the for loop, isn't it?
Right.
Because you have to check some condition. So if val of see 1 executed, 2 executed, 3 executed, 4 also executed, but after 4th execution, see val of 4, yeah, it is caught here. Caught or not?
Yes.
Is less than 2000. Yeah, Gopi is having 1009. Yeah, so he is caught. So obviously what is happening in this statement? Please tell me. An parameterized constructor is invoked or not?
Yes.
You should come back to here. And what is the argument passed? Balance amount is less. That is the argument passed to str. And then what is happening? See the connectivity. Superclass constructor is invoked. Got it? Superclass constructor for your class. So who is the superclass for your class? Exception. Exactly. Let us come back to exception. Means you are moving to exception class. So let me design exception class. the exception class code may be something resembling to this, because I don't design how can I design exception class? It is a predefined.
Yes.
It's a predefined. We have to ask James Gosling only for that matter, is it not? So there may be a constructor, parameterizer constructor in that, and one that the parameter may be a string in that as well, is it not? Got it? Some code may be there, and what is that code? We don't know. We don't know anything about these things, and we have to believe this scenario is there as at the background, is it not?
Okay. Yeah.
You are calling superclass constructor and you are passing that str. So that str is given to here, and that will manufacture that will do that work, whichever work is required for
Yeah.
you. And that work is nothing but, see, throw me, you have thrown that. Then whenever thrown, it should be caught or not? Tell me.
Yes.
Huh?
It
So
should be.
when you throwed, you caught. Simply, my exception one is caught. Okay.
Right.
And then you are displaying that ME. That ME will do that task. So you have thrown that ME na.
Yes.
And before that, superclass here balance amount has gone there and it is manufactured, and that message is coming out na. So from the stack trace, what is picked? That message is picked, obviously. Your own message is picked, and that is getting displayed here because you have written SOP here. Got it?
Yes.
Have a close look, you can understand. Can you repeat whatever I said?
Yeah.
Can you try one time? For my
Sure.
satisfaction, whether you understood or not, I can
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, so execution starts from main method.
Yeah, okay, fine.
So main method, we have a try block, and
yes.
Inside that first column is, we are just printing account number and customer name and balance.
Exactly.
After that, we have a for loop.
Yes.
So for loop, we are trying to display the array items here.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, so array, we are passing I everywhere, so
first
that zero.
First iteration it will be 0.
Second
0
will be 1.
Yeah, 1. Accordingly, they will be displayed. Yeah, fine.
Yes, so all balances are, we want to first display all balances, but
no. Whatever I am asking, that is next. But in this program, what happened? Not all balances. I'm not displaying all the balances.
No, first, this will first display, but then we are still continuing.
No.
We are saying if we are passing a if condition.
Wait. For 0, there is no problem. For 1, there is no problem. For 2, there is no problem. For 3, there is no problem. For 4, fourth position, who is there? Gopi is there.
Gopi is there.
Whenever it reaches, because remaining all are failing in the if condition.
Right.
They're all having better amounts than 2000.
Yeah.
Is it not? But this guy is having a very little amount, half of that amount. That's why it is going to be a success here. It is successfully caught inside if condition. Is it not? So at that point of time, you are getting inside. Now tell. Yes.
Yeah,
Gopi,
and then we are
Gopi went inside. Gopi went inside. Right?
Yes. So and then we are creating an object, and then because it's a parameterized one, we are passing balance amount is less, and then we are adding a super class.
No. Yeah. Means balance amount is less should go to str.
Yes.
And super class constructor is invoked. Yes, from there you tell.
Yeah. So super class constructor is invoked, and it will pass it on to the main class exception.
This code will be executed, na? Super class constructor inside that. Yeah. Constructor.
So we are throwing the exception. Yeah. And then once it's thrown, it has to be caught. Yeah. So we are displaying ME, which is balance amount is less.
Yeah. That's it.
Yeah.
But I want the output like this. You can try this.
Sure.
Simple for loop only. Appropriate places you have to put. That's it.
Yeah.
And then we will go with the number format exception. One more is there, like a number format. Okay. This is also very interesting. Wait. Where is that? Here it is. Number format exception. Okay, fine. I'll go with the NF exception, number format exception, okay, fine. Main method as part of that. Finish. Just a minute, is it charging over? Yeah, it is over. Just a minute. Now what I want to do is inside that I want to go with a try block. So how you are going to get these kind of problems, I will show you. Number format exception. Let me take a string. Yes, I will write my son's name. I want to play with my son only here. Deep, Lasyadeep. His name is Lasyadeep. Total name.
Lasyadeep. Okay.
Lasyadeep. Lasya means smile. Deep means light.
Yeah. And, interesting name.
Because Lato Ravalandi Peru, Lato Rahali.
Okay, okay.
So there are very rare names with La, you know.
Yeah.
That's why at last we have chosen that. But here, after coming to Maharashtra, these students, what they used to call him, you know, Lakshadweep.
Okay.
They are calling. Everybody is calling Lakshadweep. Last year they cannot pronounce and they are saying Lakshadweep. And now what we are getting is, we are getting an idea that this name is even better than that.
Yeah.
Not like that.
Yeah.
We never got that idea, but here they have given that idea.
Okay.
Yes. Int I is equal to, if he is here, he won't accept to have to take his permission to write his name. Integer dot %, then bracket. Yes. Because number format exception I am dealing, see what I am doing. I have initialized a string. And I am trying to convert that into integer. Is it possible?
Okay.
Can anybody tell his name in integer format?
No.
But I am trying to do that.
Okay.
See, wait. I have done this. Then what I want to do is, I just want to display that integer value also. Okay. I want to see deep equivalent integer value I want to find. That is my intention. Okay.
Okay.
Let me check through system.out.println. Very interesting application. This is also into value. I will write like this. Into value you want to know for that string na? Is equal to plus I. Okay, fine. And now after this, okay, done. Catch. Why it is showing here like this? Any mistake? That is natural, na? Natural tendency. That is.
Yeah.
Catch. So clearly you are playing with numbers, integers, all these things. Number format exception means format changing. I'm trying to see here. This is not arithmetic exception. Truly, you may get confusion here. It is not arithmetic exception. You are changing the format here. So obviously it is number format exception. That is wrong. We cannot do that. Is it not? Number format exception. But some values you can do. For example, in place of deep, if I go with, for example, I write here, in place of deep, we can go with 1 2 3. Any problem? 1 2 3. You can convert it into integer. 1 2 3 is in string. For example, in place of deep, if I write 1 2 3, 100%, we can convert 1 2 3 string into 1 2 3 integer. Nobody will say no for that. Nobody will laugh for that. But this program, if we write, somebody will laugh. How can you convert string into integer? So obviously something is caught here. Exception is caught. So we are dealing that exception. So inside that, let me display one message. Catch number format exception, NFE. And you can generate any message inside, na? That is not a big issue.
Yeah.
NFE.print stack trace. I will go with that. Print
flower brace.
Yes. NFE.print stack trace. Print stack trace. That's it. Done. Nothing more than that. That's it. Otherwise, you can display your own message also. Okay.
Okay.
That's it. Nothing more than that. One more closing is required, it seems.
Yeah.
Done. No, still it is showing. What is that? Cannot be resolved to a type. Oh, spelling mistake. NUM. Right. Resolved.
Okay.
Resolved, na? Now
yes.
See what I am doing. Executing this. Yes. See, it is displaying input string deep. 60. What is that? Java number format exception. Integer. So it is clearly saying number format exception. You cannot convert.
Right.
But in place of deep, if I write 1, 2, 3, what is going to happen? Otherwise, I will design another program. Of course, I will design another program. I don't want to disturb this. I will write both the things. I will show you in single program.
Okay.
Show you. That is even typical. You can understand. Number format exception 1 I will take. Number format exception 1. Okay, fine. Main method. Okay, fine. Now try block. Inside try. I don't put try here, otherwise I will do in another way. Wait. Directly I will write here like this is given a string str1 is equal to, see here what I am doing, 10. Okay. 10 I have given. Now see what I am doing. Int x is equal to integer dot parse int within bracket. What is that? str1. Sorry, str1. Fine. That's it. Done. Now let me do one thing. I can do some calculation also. No? X into x I can do. X into x. Okay, fine. And okay, done. And now I want to go with the try block. See, because I know that it is going to work fine. Okay, I know that it is going to work or not. It is going to work. 10 is not required for this because 10 is string. It can be converted into integer, sure, and then it can be multiplied also. You can expect 100 here, is it not?
Yes.
You can expect prints 100 clearly. It prints 100, isn't it? But now I'm going to create some problem inside try block. That is string 2 with string 2 str2 is equal to see, same application, but what I am doing, see, understood? You understood, I think. Into y equals, yes. In the same program, I want to show the difference between the two.
Right.
Parse int, which is workable and which is not workable. str2, fine. Done. Then what to do? Try is closed now. Use try is closed. Let me put catch number format exception number format exception NFE, and then yes, inside that you can give any statement now. You can give unable to format. Can I write my own message? I will write this time. Unable to format 10. How can you format into integer 10?
Yeah.
No, we cannot do that. Unable to format. Stop. I will concatenate that with ye. That also I want to see. Okay. E or NFE? NFE, na? It is NFE.
Yes.
E, not E, NFE. Yeah, right. NFE. Okay. So, any mistakes? No. Let me execute this. Yes. First one, 100.
Yeah.
100% correct. Second one, yes. Unable to format. NFE means what? Java dot lang dot number format exception for input string 10. That is the problem.
Yeah.
So in place of 10, if I write this, let me see that also. If I write 10, what should happen? Let me see that also. It should work fine now without any problem. Yes. Nothing is displayed now. After this, nothing is there. That's why it is taken, but nothing done with that. 10 is transferred. 10 string is converted into integer, but nothing is done. Obviously, I will display. Otherwise, I will do one thing. Here also, I will do some operation on that. Okay, that is better. X into X into X. Okay.
Okay.
It looks better code. This looks better. Yes. Yes. Got it?
Okay.
Fine?
Yes.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yes, that is the reason. But if I go with a 10, it is a failure case. Got it? I'll do one thing.
Yeah.
I'll manage both the things here. Wait. I want to show you things inside the same code. Wait. Control V. Yes. Here what I want to do is I want to put 10. I want to execute that perfectly. And str2. This is okay. str2. This is okay. Here I want to make it as str3. Done. str3. str3. Yes, that's it. And one more time I want to multiply here. I cannot see that 4 times multiply.
This is y into y into y.
Yeah, y I have taken. There also x I have taken. How it came previously? Oh my god, how it came? X into x into x. How it came really? I can't understand this. How it came? I have given y is there. How it came? X into x worked fine. Next time 1000 came. How it came really? Y is there. Oh my god. Inside x, what is there? Previous x it has taken.
Yeah.
Previous x is 10. That is taken here also. Got it? That is good. Yes. Yes, that is right. Y into y. That's it. Here also. This is also y now. Otherwise, I will make it z. What is there? Z into z.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it might again take the previous y value.
Lead to confusion.
Yeah.
No, it won't take because it fails here. Exception is
caught. Yeah. Correct.
Here
yes.
itself exception is caught. It is never next. Once road is damaged, next step you cannot cannot land on the next path. Is it not?
Yes. Yeah.
That's it. That is true. So yeah, it is showing mistake. Why?
Extra multiplication expression. Z into Z into Z.
Yes. Z into. One more I want to do actually. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, that's it. Okay. That is never going to happen. Because it is not integer 10. It is string 10. It cannot be converted into integer. That's it. 2 success cases, 1 failure case in this. Is it not? 2 success. First 2 success. With a try or without a try, success. First 2.
Yes.
I am confident here. That's why I have not gone with any try block here. But I am not confident here. That's why I have gone with a try block here. But I got success. But latter part, we failed. Because it is not normal integer 10. It is string 10. We cannot convert that. Obviously. That's it. So you got one more new exception today. That is number format.
Yes.
exception. With this, shall I close? Almost all majority exceptions we covered.
Okay.
Okay. And then some other exceptions are there, but now I won't discuss. During threads, I will discuss about one exception called as illegal access exception is there.
Okay.
Sorry. Interrupted exception is also there. Illegal access is there, and then interrupted exception is also there. I will discuss during threads concept about that one.
Sure.
Okay?
Yes.
So with this, I am closing the session, sir. Thank you.
Sure, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.